With telecommuting making it easier to travel and stay in touch, people are using public Wi-Fi networks more frequently. As the number of hotspots available continues to grow, not every hotspot can offer the protection of your home or office networks. The default settings on your notebooks, tablet, or smartphone may not be enough to keep your data safe from prying eyes. These essential tips will help keep your information and files secure. 1. Update your software before you go. Make sure all antivirus, anti-spyware, and browsing software are all updated. When current, the software can monitor for suspicious activity and can be a great way to protect against most attacks. Verify that the built-in firewall is always activated. 2. Turn off file sharing. Otherwise, anyone in the vicinity of your device can hack into your data. 3. Use a VPN. A virtual private network routes your traffic through a secure network. Free services are available, but a paid service guarantees the connection integrity. If you regularly connect on public networks, it may be worth the expense. 4. Don't auto-connect. Turn off the Wi-Fi connection whenever you're done using the internet, even if you're still using the device. Check the settings on your device. You may be able to disable auto-connect and request a prompt asking permission to connect. 5. Use secure sites whenever possible on public networks. Ultimately, it's much safer to avoid private transactions on a public network. Conducting banking activity or purchases that require a credit card should always be completed over a private connection, such as at home or in the office. We hope these tips help you keep your data safe while traveling. If you have more questions, give our team a call.